This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your printer from an offline state to online. It can be incredibly frustrating when your printer suddenly goes offline, leaving you unable to print important documents. This guide will walk you through a series of simple, step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot common issues and get your printer back up and running smoothly. We'll cover everything from basic checks to network configurations, ensuring you can print without any hassle. Let's get started and bring your printer back online. Before diving into complex solutions, it's crucial to perform some basic checks. First, ensure your printer is powered on and all cables, including the power cord and any USB connections, are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a loose connection is all it takes to cause an offline status. Next, check your printer's display panel for any error messages or indicators that might provide clues. Also, confirm that your Wi-Fi router is working correctly and broadcasting a strong signal. These initial steps can often resolve the issue quickly. Once you've confirmed the basic connections, the next step is to focus on your printer's network settings. If your printer connects wirelessly, navigate to its network setup menu and ensure it's connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. You might need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. For wired connections, verify the Ethernet cable is properly connected to both the printer and your router. It's also a good idea to check your computer's network settings to ensure it can communicate with the printer. Installing or updating printer drivers can also be a key step here. Finally, after adjusting your network settings, it's time to verify that your printer is back online. Try printing a test page from your computer to confirm the connection. If the issue persists, consider restarting both your printer and your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connectivity glitches. You might also want to check for any available firmware updates for your printer, as these can often fix known bugs. If all else fails, consulting your printer's manual or manufacturer's support can provide specific guidance for your model. Happy printing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.